Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Well, the today video topic is DWM. DWM is Suckless Window Manager. If you don't know what is a window manager, so here you can see on my screen there is a window, here is another window, here is another window and another one. So these are some windows. To manage them, there is use a window manager. So the window manager I am going to talk about today is DWM. The web page for DWM is dwm.suckless.org. So here is the website for DWM. I have a clone. DWM. So I just pushed some updates a few minutes ago. You can clone it and compile it. Let me do that. Make so DWM is ready. I am going to copy it to my local bin directory. So now it is in my path. I am not using some display manager. I am using Z profile. So if I log in and it deducts TTY, if I am on TTY1, it reads it starts X, and X starts some file like X profile, which executes some programs, necessary programs which I need when I boot the system. So we are going to edit our now we are in our home directory. Here xinit.rc execute DWM. Actually I was using bspwm, so now I am going to boot into DWM. Let's replace DWM. We are going to edit our X profile. So here are the programs we need in DWM session. So let's comment it. I don't need SXHKD. It is a keyboard daemon for bspwm. Next resources I need for your XVT. I also need my custom key maps. Yeah, I need transparency. A wallpaper I also need. Custom fonts, your XVT, daemon mode, hide mouse, enable lock, notification daemon, and no, don't mute the mic at startup. I am going to record a video for YouTube on the next boot. Redshift. I don't need to. Yeah, start it. dwm manages a dual boot, a dual screen. Sorry. So it. No need. I have this dwm patch for a scratch pad, so you don't need this one. That's it. So now we are ready to boot with dwm.